Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm making a custom spread for one of my patrons over on Patreon. This one is for Cindy. Cindy, thank you for being a patron again this month. She requested a Thanksgiving themed spread, so I'm going to use a mixture of books to create this spread. I have Fall Collections Volume 2 from Amber Plans Her Day, A Year of Planning Volume 2 from Whimsy, Luxe, and Fall Memories from, again, Amber Plans Her Day. So these three so far, I think, might be all I need for this spread. They'll be linked down in the description. I have discount codes for Amber's books if you're interested, or a discount code. But I started pulling stickers. There's a like Thanksgiving themed sticker sheet in here. I'm gonna be honest, Thanksgiving spreads are probably one of my hardest ones to do because in the past, I feel like there's not a lot of stickers for Thanksgiving. Like my spreads always end up looking more fall than Thanksgiving. They might be like a thankful, grateful, blessed kind of thing. So I like that there's these like cute little turkeys and there's some pilgrims and stuff that feels a little bit more Thanksgiving-y. So yeah, but again, it's hard because I don't even know what I'm gonna do for myself for my Thanksgiving spread. So yeah, I feel like this is the only sticker sheet I have that's got like turkeys in it. But I'm gonna use this washi. I really like this plaid, like buffalo check, I think. I'm gonna use this, but I want to cut it down. I feel like it's too thick, so I'm gonna do a little like just trick of cutting it on the paper trimmer. Just putting it down and then just cutting it into thinner slices. Yeah, that's a little bit better. It's more of the size I want. Although I probably should have done a better job cutting the first piece down, so I'm not wasting the washi, but it is what it is. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna put the washi down first. I need to cut up another piece. Sorry, I'm gonna do this off camera because it just is a little bit easier for me to do that. Now, these are not gonna be perfectly like symmetrical, and that's okay with me, but at least they're thinner. That's the main thing I want to get, is just a thinner piece of washi on the page. Sorry, I feel like this is gonna take a bit to get through. Okay, I have one more piece. Actually, let me do another piece this size. Okay, here's another piece. I'm just doing top and bottom because it's just easier. You know what's so funny is, so I've been living in apartment for about a year-ish, and I've never lived in an apartment before. It's definitely my first experience. I've always lived in houses, but I know people always complain about like the upstairs neighbor making too much noise, which I am an upstairs neighbor, so I try my best not to make too much noise. I walk very softly. Thankfully I have carpet, so it's not terrible. But yeah, I mean, I'm one person, so it's not like I'm running around my place and moving furniture around at ridiculous hours or things like that, you know? But I always hear people complaining about the upstairs neighbor, and that's why I try to, you know, be as quiet as I can, because I don't want to be that annoying upstairs neighbor. But I do have to say, for the people who complain about the upstairs neighbor, the downstairs neighbors are noisy too. And that's kind of my issue right now, is I don't know, I think their TV is so loud. And all I hear is just their TV at all times of the day. It's funny, I woke up at like 6 this morning on a Saturday, and it was like blaring loud. I didn't even think they would be awake, because I was awake way earlier than I thought I should be awake. Yeah. Just something I've noticed. And it's funny because I've never had this issue because my previous neighbor, I never heard their TV. It's just this new neighbor that I hear their TV all the time. And it reminds me of like being at my mom's house, because I feel like because they're older, they need the TV on louder. So I think that's what's going on. It's just that they need the TV on really, really loud to hear it. And so I can hear it just like, I can hear it. I think that's what's probably happening. But yeah, it's okay. It's not too bad. Thankfully, I don't hear it when I'm sleeping, so that's all. As long as I'm able to sleep, I'm good. And I'm pretty sure you can't hear it because it's just muffling noises, so I don't think it's coming through. Yeah, it probably won't come through for you to hear it. Okay, so let's see. Enough of that. Enough of my kind of complaining. I have these leaves. These are from Whimsy. They are paper, but I'm gonna try layering these because I want to do like a little bit down here. Maybe. All right, I want to do a pilgrim guy. Do the girl. I love this little turkey. He's so cute. So we're just gonna stick them on here. See, now it feels like Thanksgiving, not fall. Oh, there's also these cute banners. I always forget about these in Amber's books, but she always includes these in her memory books. These fun little banners. I was thinking of using them in here because I feel like they're cute. So we'll just kind of add them to the corner. Yeah, I like that look. That's super cute. All right, I have this Give Thanks and a Grateful, Thankful, Blessed. Again, all from Amber's book. So maybe I should put it here because this is where Thanksgiving is. I love Thanksgiving. It's honestly one of my favorite holidays because I love all the food, the turkey, the pies, all the sides. The sides are my favorite. Sides, and just like hanging out with my family, just eating, and there's no presents you have to worry about. It's just, you know, food, which I love. So yeah, love Thanksgiving. And it's funny, at my work, they actually give us a, they always do this. They give us a turkey each year. But I have a lot of family members. Well, not a lot. My family's not that big when we celebrate Thanksgiving. So usually it's like me, my mom, my stepdad, and my grandma. And like half of the people in that group doesn't eat meat. So it doesn't make sense to make like a huge turkey. So I don't plan on getting a turkey. And my sister actually is gonna be with us this Thanksgiving with her family. My brother-in-law and my sister eat turkey, but my nephew definitely does not. He does not like meat. So we usually get a Costco turkey meal. It's like $30-something, and it comes with like all the fixings, the mashed potato, or does it come with mashed potatoes? No, it comes with stuffing. I think it does come with mashed potatoes. It comes with a bunch of stuff. So we usually do a Costco Thanksgiving. Super easy, less work, which is nice. And we eat that. So at my work, they're giving away the turkeys, and I don't need a turkey. So I'm gonna get the turkey, but one of my coworkers is just gonna take it to Mexico for somebody to have, because At least it'll go to somebody. Somebody will enjoy it. But my coworkers were trying to like get our employers to get us ham instead of turkey. Because some of them were like, oh, we don't need a turkey. Or some of them don't like turkey. So they were trying to get them to get them hams instead. They did a whole poll and everything, and then yeah, they're gonna get a turkey. It was funny because they all were like, we want a ham, but then they came back and were like, no, we're giving turkeys. So they're still giving turkeys. Yeah, fun story. Not sure if that was fun, but that's what's going on. Okay, I'm gonna do these two down here. They're hanging out. Oh, I just realized they're both wearing hats. That's funny. Okay, let's do, I think this side turned out really cute. Okay, so I think I need another one of these little bannery thingies. Let's do it going this way. A little different. It's cool. Okay, I need some leaves, which I got from Whimsy Luxe. Love Whimsy Luxe. Like, look how cute this Christmas theme page is. Super adorable. Love that page. Oh, and then she has boxes. I forgot. She has boxes. Oh, I did pull boxes from here. Okay, let me grab some of these boxes too. Because they're this color right here that I pulled. I'm just gonna do, oops, one here. Grab some of these. I want to do like a pumpkin here, I think. I really like these. So cute. Actually, let me cut the bottom off a little bit. I could do some leaves. I'll do this little, okay, leaves. This brown one. Layer those a little bit. Actually, I don't like, I think I need a layer of leaves on top. Yeah, cool. Oh, and then I have this quote. I definitely want to add this quote here. Just gonna put it. Don't want to put it down here because I already have a quote there. I like it there, but I think I need to white this out. So let me do that. Okay, I'm gonna let that dry a little bit. Place it all the way down. Okay, let's see, what else can I do? Some more leaves. Okay, maybe. Okay, like that. I'll cut this off. Cute. Super adorable. All right, I'm gonna get one more of these like boxes I could put right down here. Oh, this is so cute. I love these little banners. I think that was a good touch to add onto the spread. I do have one little turkey left. Maybe we can add this one over here. I feel like it's too busy. Too busy. These are kind of big. Leaves. Our leaves. Oh, you know what? Let me look in Amber's book. There were other stuff on that page that I didn't pull. Oh yeah, there's these. But I'm not, I don't want to do these pumpkin. Okay, I need something for here. Okay, I have bullet points. I can add bullet points. So I'm going to add some of these around the spread. Actually, not this color. I want this one. And I can do one here. I think that's good. All right. This needs to be figured out over here. All right, I'm gonna go through my other books, maybe some Happy Planner ones to find, maybe if I can find something like a quote kind of sticker from over there. Okay, I'm not finding any luck with finding what I'm looking for. Okay, let me see. Let me go back to the leaves. These leaves. I feel like I just need something here, maybe a quote from Amber's book. Which was this one? Let's see. No, sorry. Not this one, this one. Okay, so I need something that fits in this spot that kind of has something to do with being grateful or something. Let's see. This one's funny. It says, just here for the pie. Ooh, a happy harvest. Guess that could work. Okay. Oh, a good size, too. All right, so let's see if this fits. Let me put this along. Get a little bit more this way. Okay. I think that works. All right. How cute is that spread? Really makes a difference to have little turkeys on the spread. Okay, so that is going to be it, Cindy. I hope you like your spread. I really enjoyed making this. I think it turned out super adorable, so I hope you all enjoyed watching as well. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next video.